All right, guys, you want your VR30 to look like this and to sound like this for just under $120? Same thing on the other side. And you're just gonna lift it right up, little 10 mil. Just like, all right, so we're gonna undo this one and this one, push it off, and you're gonna yank this up without damaging the bottom clamps, the clips, whatever they are. Now that you can move this slightly, you're gonna look back here. There's gonna be obviously a clip. We're gonna just wanna loosen it, just like that, without damaging anything.
Come on, man.
Just like so. Now you're gonna grab another Phillips, or the same Phillips, like so, to put in the unlock position. Okay, that's good.
It's gonna fight you.
And then do the other one as well.
See it?
Yeah. Woo! All right, now we're just gonna unscrew these on both sides. Now the second one. And while you're here, just take out this little piece. It's gonna be a 10 millimeter. You don't need it, you're not gonna need it. I'm gonna take an 8 millimeter. I think it's working. Alrighty. Just like that. The dirt. Fucking, okay, whatever. Woo! All right, so you're just gonna add the MAF sensor piece right on top of the turbo inlet. All right, I wanna stick a towel in it, make sure the sensor doesn't get anything, and we're gonna put this right on.
Show some fucking video.
All right, before we put the air intake on, just put the MAF sensor on. Just like that. Now we're gonna fit this bad boy on. All right, guys, now we're just gonna tie in the air intake on.
Right.
Wow, yeah, this is really nice.
There we go with the green.
Oh, now the other side. Just like that. Now we got the sensor off. Now we're gonna get to there. It's an 8 millimeter. And then I'm gonna undo the 2 screws underneath. All right, now we're just gonna push it all the way on. All right, now we're just gonna plug this in. Yeah. All right, guys, after the install, your intake should look like this. Snuggy. Okay, we're geeking out. This actually fit. We didn't think it would, but oh my gosh, that is sick. Wow. Moment of truth. Like nothing.